But you may be thinking, I don't have time to go to the gym. Well, this Craze is for you. Meteorologist Lee Span went a little high tech for this workout.
That's right. In this smartphone world, we can FaceTime, Skype with family and friends all around the world just from the palm of our hand. Well, now live streaming fitness classes bring the trainer right to you in real time.
85% of the people in this country will never step foot in a gym and cannot afford the average cost of the fitness industry.
Keith Kochner, co-founder of livestreamingfitness.com, saw how people were using technology.
When do they want it? They want it whenever they want it. And they want it interactive. They want it live.
His company started 3 years ago and was the first to offer scheduled classes online, one-on-one, with a trainer who's actually teaching the class live. By the end of the year, they should have a class every hour of every day. For $9.90 a month, you have access to all those classes, plus nutritional information and cooking classes, right on your smartphone, tablet, or internet television.
So our mission was to get these lifestyle resources into people who need them the most. The people that have busy lifestyles, the people that have several kids, the people that don't have the schedule to get to the gym.
So I got my News Channel 8 friends together for a boot camp class right in the studio. Kelly, the trainer, talked us through the exercises.
Awesome, that was awesome.
And if we had a question, we could just write it on the wall.
And then I can share that, and the producer will then relay it to her so that she can answer the question.
It's fitness on your schedule. You pick the classes, you pick the level.
And really bring it into their home, because we believe that's where healthy habits are started.
You can also set up instant chat with those trainers to get more information. It really creates a community to help you stay healthy, and eventually they even plan to have multiple classes each hour, so you have even more options. I mean, for $9.90 a month, that's not too bad.
Yeah, it's a pretty
It was a
good
good
deal.
workout. I was here. I was the one with the bad form doing push-ups
Oh,
in the
you were good, you were
background.
good. But it was, and again, you just, the fact that it's live, right
Yes.
there, you can't talk to her, but you can write it on the wall,
Right.
and they can,
You just got to get that wireless keyboard so when you're doing those push-ups, you have it right in front of you, you know?
Am I doing it right?
She's like, sure, I can't see you, so yes.